Hello friends, welcome back. I know I have been MIA a little bit, but bear with me. I'm super busy. But anyways, today I have a little unboxing to do. I recently went shopping just under $100 at Shein. You could literally buy basically just about anything from Shein. But anyways, let's go ahead and start. Our package just arrived. I thought the package was going to be huge, but I guess because the things that I bought were all like pretty small, everything fit in this big of a package. So let's get to it. Also, if you like the little mic vibes, let me know down below because I'm gonna keep doing it. All right, ASMR moment. There's a lot of items, so bear with me. The first one that I see is these little covers for my watch. Honestly, I've been needing some because the last one that I had was from Japan and it already broke on me because I'm just so clumsy. I'm always like knocking my hands everywhere. But there's actually 4 colors: black, beige, pink, and clear. Yay, because I always love changing my watches. I've only just recently kept this one because my other ones got dirty, too sweaty, because I'm always going to the gym now. Fun fact, I've been going to the gym consistently now for over a month and a half now, and hell yeah. Anyways, next item. I kind of want to do this by items, like categories, but everything's all over the place, so never mind. All right, next thing. What is even this? Oh, I know what this is. I had ordered a new makeup bag because the other one that I had, I don't know, I don't like the way that like typical zip makeup bags like zip. I don't know, it's something about them. So let's open her up so you guys can see. Basically, it's one of those that's pretty huge. It has like 2 little zippers, like places to put extra things. And then when you're actually done, you literally just put all of your makeup crap right here with the zip ties right here on the side. You start making it tight so that it's kind of like a little pouch bag. And this just velcros back to this side. So right now it looks weird. Just hold up. Okay, so this is what it's supposed to look like. I absolutely love it because it's definitely on the vibes that I'm on right now, but I just love how so much can fit into this actually. Anyways, that is the new makeup pouch. I'm excited to fill her up and show you guys what it actually looks like filled up. Anyways, next item. Another checkered item. Who would have thought? I believe this is the shopping bag. I always like to leave 1 shopping bag in every bag that I have. I actually got 2 of these. Here she is, a little better for you guys. It is huge. It can fit a lot. So like I said, I got 2 of these. That way, you know, I don't have to constantly be buying bags out at the grocery store. So next item. Yeah, so here is the second grocery bag. I'm not gonna open it up because you guys already saw what one looks like. Next is one of these like little protectors for your like camera lenses around your phone. Let me open it up to show you guys. So this one is kind of like a iridescent colored, so hopefully you guys can see it good, but this is what it looks like. Just wanted something to add a little pizzazz to my phone. I always love decorating anything that I can. The next couple of items are going to be a lot of jewelry items, but let's go ahead and start off. The first thing that I see here are these really cute earrings, and I honestly think that these are so like timeless. They are honestly awesome. They're a combination of gold and silver. Right now, that's kind of what I'm aiming for. I really want to incorporate silver into my gold because I have like gold everything. I don't really have silver, but I feel like this is a nice way to like incorporate it into my jewelry without it being too like weird or like tacky looking maybe. Next thing that I see is another pair of earrings. Ones are so freaking cute. So here they are. They're kind of like checkered, white and like brownish. I hope you guys can see them. I'm hoping that the camera is actually picking them up. Next thing, this next one, you probably can barely see it, but it's one of those earrings. It's for like the cartilage piercings where you put it in and there's like a chain attached to the other side. So it looks like you have like a chain dangling from your ear to the other side. You get what I'm saying? Cool, but I have a couple of piercings in my checklist that I want to get through. So I'm prepping my earrings for when I do get my ears pierced for those piercings. Let me know if you want a little vlog of that. but this is basically what it looks like. It just looks like a little chain, but it does have a little stud like these ones over here. Next, I have a cute little evil eye bracelet, and honestly, I've been wanting one of these for quite a while. I don't know, something always happens to where I never get it, and this time I secured the bag. It just has 5 little evil eyes on them going all across. And next, ooh, I'm always a girly that loves to have jewelry, so like necklaces on. So with having nails, it is annoying having to take on and off my stuff, and I'm usually having to have my husband do it for me. So I got myself one of these like magnetic clasps. You just attach the necklace to each side of the clasp, and you're able to take everything off by just pulling it apart easily. I got 5 in gold and 5 in silver. Then, okay, so for necklaces, the first one I got is a little gold one, but it's just like one of these necklaces, if you can see it. I feel like these are so cute, timeless, and vintage. All right, the next one is another necklace also. Oh. All right, what is going on here? Okay, there we go. I forgot that this one is like, it's like a 2-in-1 sort of necklace. Here she is. Honestly, I absolutely love this one. It has like little green like diamonds, but it also kind of reminds me of the patterns of like Louis Vuitton. So I had to. This is what it would look like on me. Wait, backwards. So kind of like this. Alright, so next is a little back charm. Usually back charms, I always end up buying them from TJ Maxx. And this time I was like, no, here she is. Wow! I honestly really like this one because it's so colorful. It has tons of things to look at, like a huge flower charm on the top, a little diamond, and also a little seashell, which is so cute. It's like pretty unique because I don't really see these types at TJ Maxx. It's always like so bling bling at TJ Maxx, which kind of gets old. So all right, next I have a Apple Watch band, and this is just in the color gold. It's one of those that like swings around and closes magnetically. This is what it looks like, and you can see that the other side right here has like the clasp to close magnetically. Okay, I forgot that I actually had one more earring to go through, and these ones are probably my favorite out of all of the ones that I bought. These ones, I have no idea. I don't remember if it said that they're plated or not, but I honestly don't think so, but I don't care. But here is what these ones look like. They're kind of like little hoops, but they have like the little leopard print, and it's so freaking cute. So like this, and I honestly love it because they are not like overly huge. Before I used to be like a huge like big hoop girl. Now I've definitely toned it down. Let's see. Oh, I also got some more plated gold jewelry. These are rings, actually. They are basically just a ton of different cute little designs, and I was honestly getting bored and tired of like my typical just like regular gold rings, so I wanted to mix them up and incorporate different styles, especially because in the weekends I don't keep them on all day long. I literally just put them on like to go out, and then as soon as we get home, everyone changes out, take off everything, all accessories and stuff like that, so no biggie. Next thing that I have might be a little controversial, especially if you're like someone that is a tattoo artist or like a piercer, but I got one of these like at-home piercing guns, but they actually, it doesn't really pierce with your jewelry, it pierces it with an actual needle that piercers use at an actual piercing shop. So this is basically what actual piercers use anyways, so why not? And it actually comes with 5 extra sterilized needles already. I don't know, I'm probably going to do at least one and then give it some time, but I'm really going to like hype myself just to be able to do it. And let me know if you want a little video. All right, the next item, I have been wanting this for so freaking long. I finally got myself the little cheetah print or leopard print tote bag. I'm telling you, like everything right now in my life is either leopard print or checkered print. It's just one or the other. All right, here she is. This is what she looks like, and I absolutely love it because it actually looks like literal jeans. It has a huge pocket in the front, and then it also has these like little clips or buttons in case you want to keep these sides closed. But I actually like them like this, like open. I feel like it adds to it, but I definitely want to add some charms to this bag instead. I don't know why, I've just been wanting this one for so friggin' long. I feel like it just adds just so much style to any outfit. I actually forgot one more jewelry item. This is a little necklace, and oh my goodness, for everyone who is Latino, Hispanic, you are going to die for this. Hold on, she's a little tangled. All right, you guys, so like after 5 years of untangling my necklace, I finally got it. Here she is. You're joking. I literally pulled it up and everything just came out of the freaking necklace. Hold the fuck up. Oh my god, the charms literally went everywhere. Hold up. All right, chat, we're back on track. Okay, so here she is. It honestly is the cutest freaking thing ever. It has like a little chili pepper, my initial little R, and another evil eye. And I honestly like this to the T. Describes like Mexican AF. But I freaking love it so much. You will most definitely see me wearing this freaking necklace in almost every single video now, especially with the magnet clasp that I can easily remove and put back on anything that I want now. For the very last item that I have, I honestly got the leopard pants that everyone is freaking wearing nowadays, or at least here maybe, but I don't know. I got them in like materials for like sweats because I'm going to the gym. I've been going to the gym like for over a month and a half now. Like I said, I literally go Monday through Friday, so I'm like, I'd rather get something that I can wear for both the gym and like maybe the weekends. But anyways, here she is, and she's actually really soft. All right, my friends, that is literally it for this haul. Now, last thing that I want to say is a huge thank you to YouTube, because without YouTube, I wouldn't be able to be doing all of these things. And also thank you to the viewers, because without you guys, I'm not able to do any of these hauls either. So with that being said, let me wrap this up now because somebody is asking for Nutella and bread. But with that being said, I will see you all in my next video. Let me know what you want to see next. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. All right, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.